Okay, so I got obsessed with 3D printing sometime last year, bought my printer, and only just got it to the point where I could make stuff like this about 4 months ago. When the crane project came up, because I work with cranes, I actually drive and rig for cranes, and I put these things together in my spare time at shutdowns. I decided we've got to do something. Got to do something that to ease my ego. So I wanted to recreate the entire process of designing a fab coat of a pin jib luffing crane. So yeah, 3-4 months worth of dev time, many revisions later. Yeah, each part's got its own story really. The sheaves are 608 bearings with 2 sandwich plates that press together and slot, right, for strength. The what else can I say?
How long a base plate took you to print out?
The base plate. Okay, this part here took 6-hour print. It was printed in two pieces. I ended up splitting in half, so we just did that 10mm, and then that bottom part is separate, but they're sandwiched together, so it's no problem. This red part here was 7 revisions, how many failed prints?
Oh, I don't want to know.
4 or 5 failed prints, 10 hours each time, lots of swearing. Whenever you print ABS plastic, you've got a temperature difference, and as the plastic gets printed, it cools down and it shrinks. If it cools down unevenly, you get warping, and it tends to delaminate off the bed. If it delaminates a tiny bit, then it delaminates the rest of the way. And lots of frustration, lots of swearing. This is revision 7. It's been hollowed out to all hell, taken from 600 grams down to 130 grams worth of weight. Still structurally sound. At the moment, this base plate, this upper turntable, lower turntable, and the boom are technically, well, what Inventor tells me in the simulation, it's good for 2 kilos at 3 meters, but backwards is unfortunate. I really don't want to fail this again because this boom took forever to reprint.
Yeah, actually, you know you can now download a washing machine and print it out with a 3D printer. The only thing you have to buy is the electric motor.
That wouldn't shock.
How much does it weigh?
The whole thing is, well, with the original
the washing machine.
with the original boom, it was 1.1 kilos. I imagine this might be up near the 5 mark now. But someone else has expressed an interest in obtaining this, so that's why the new boom is so robust. Yeah, the whole thing is parametricized inside Inventor using a spreadsheet. So the actual design of the truss itself was very simple. These brace members, they're all actually the same drawing. They're just being spanned at different lengths. Yeah, I don't know.
So it's not the hook then?
Yeah, the claw was malfunctioned now.
Malfunction.
I got to see it working just a little bit.
I woke up in the middle of the night and I thought, skill tester, got to do that. That's awesome. And went and did it. And yeah, it did work until about 20 minutes ago.
Too many mandarins.
Yeah, probably. A couple of failed.
He actually wanted to bring in a bowl of Cheerios and a bowl of sauce and dip one to the other. But no food or drink allowed.
dip the Cheerio in the thing. Some people use forks. I find that sophisticated. Anyway,
yeah. All right, let's see this go, shall we?
Take note.
What group are you?
4 During all my testing, I think I've burnt the motors out.
You don't notice that. Wait, are we supposed to be timing this someone? No,
at least I was having this thing.
Oh, taking it back. Oh, that's right. Ouch. Ouch.
That's the noise that's making stuff. This might be like a
And the controller is becoming extra finicky.
Whoa. Swing on there.
Hey! You just resetting it.
Yeah. Automatic disconnection.
Okay.
One for the photo.
So is the one on the left of these?
Yeah.
I need to set the volts up because I think I've burned my motors out to some point where it won't sleep at 1.5 volts anymore. Either that or my control box is absolutely like this.
Alright. Who's timing? Who's ready? Fire off when you're ready.
Ready to go.
Eight, 12.9. Come on, slew.
Can you do a take? And go. Don't go too far.
Yeah. This thing. This thing falls.
2 kilos.
Please don't break it. Please don't.